Dear students, today we will study the next topic, that is the mole fraction. It is defined as the mole fraction of a component equal to the moles of component divided by the moles of total moles of all the component present in the solution. It is expressed by a small x. Suppose that there are the two components in the solution A and B, and we have to find out the mole fraction of component A and B. Then let's see. Mole fraction of component A equal to moles of A upon moles of A plus moles of B. That is, you can represent it by the some symbols. That is the mole fraction of A, component A. Mole fraction represented by small x, and A is the component. Mole fraction of component A equal to the moles of A upon moles of A plus moles of B. Similarly, you can get the result for the mole fraction of B, component B, equal to the moles of B divided by the moles of A plus moles of B. And one of the important result for the mole fraction is that is the sum of mole fraction of all the component is always unity. Up to n terms, it will be always unity. That is the x1 x2 plus x3 equal to the up to xn is equal to the 1. It is independent of temperature. It is independent of temperature. Mole fraction does not depend on the temperature. So this is all about the mole fraction. Thank you.